58 plate 1.3 Astra CDTI, 86,000 miles, Cat D recorded, 1 key, history book, no tax, no test, no V5. Needs a front bumper realigning, some damage down the side which I'll show you in a minute. Front bumper needs realigning, damage on the bumper. As you can see, radiator's still got water in. Low repair, damage to the wing, you can see that, bit there, little mark on there, white obviously, bit of damage on this door, if you can see down this door, small crease there, crease in the back door, I don't know if you can just see that, into the railway latch. Like I say, it'll all cat even repair. Tyres are in good condition as I can see. Chip on the back bumper. Couple of chips. Ex-lease car. Quite good condition for one of these, like, really. Got a fair few of these. It's a life model, wheel trims, no alloy wheels. No airbags are going off, no warning lights on the dash. 6-speed. Starts. Drives with no problems. Nice and clean under the bonnet. Any questions, give us a ring. Thanks.